Greetings to all my dear students. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Today, we may not be together to celebrate this day, but you all are always there in our prayers and blessings. Dear students, celebrate this day with full of energy, joy and happiness. I wish and pray to the Almighty to shower His blessings on my dear students and enlighten them to a brighter future. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all would be safe and happy at your places. My dear children, today I am here to celebrate your special day, that is the Children's Day. And see the coincidence, this year Deepavali and Children's Day happens to fall on the same day, that is today. My dear children, I know we all are enjoying the festive month. This is the festive season, starting from Navratras to Deepavali and to end with Christmas very soon. But children, today, as we have been noticing due to COVID-19, a lot of studies has been suffered at the same time. We have missed so many important days together, whether it was Teachers' Day, whether it is Children's Day, today's day. I know everybody is missing. Especially we teachers are missing a lot, because I feel that a teacher is incomplete without his or her student. And somewhere I believe that you also might be having the same feeling.
वो यारों की यारी में सब भूल जाना, डंडे से गिल्ली को उड़ाना, होमवर्क न करने पर टीचर से जी चुराना, एग्जाम के टाइम पर रट्टे लगाना, रिजल्ट आए तो घबराना, मुश्किल है सब भुलाना. सो चिल्ड्रन, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे.
अपने हौसलों को ये मत बताओ कि तुम्हारी तकलीफ बड़ी है, अपनी तकलीफ को ये बताओ कि तुम्हारे हौसले बड़े हैं.
Hello my dear students, I am Sunita Digari.
Hello my lovely students, wish you all a very happy children.
झूठ बोलते थे फिर भी कितने सच्चे थे हम, ये उन दिनों की बात है जब बच्चे थे.
Diwali is the festival of light, and you are the lights that illuminates our lives.
Delighted to wish you all a very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali.
Hello students, how are you? I hope you are good and enjoying at your.
इस वर्ष हम 7 पर बाल दिवस नहीं मना पा रहे हैं, परंतु हम सभी अध्यापकों की शुभकामनाएं आप सभी बच्चों के साथ हैं. आप इस शुभ अवसर को बड़े ही जोश और उत्साह से मनाएं, परंतु सेफ्टी रखते हुए. आप लोग 2 गज की दूरी रखें, हाथ बार बार धोते रहें और मास्क का प्रयोग करें. अगर आप पटाखे फोड़ रहे हैं तो किसी बड़ों के साथ फोड़ें, और हो सके तो आप पटाखों को ना फोड़ें. तो दीपावली मनाएं और साथ में चिल्ड्रंस डे भी मनाएं. हम पिछली बार झोलाखेत में एक भ्रमण के लिए गए थे, पिकनिक के लिए गए थे, जहां पे आप सभी लोगों ने बहुत आनंद लिया था. परंतु इस बार हम कोरोना की वजह से पिकनिक पर नहीं जा सकते हैं, परंतु हम सभी साथ रहकर इस तरीके से क्या कर सकते हैं, बाल दिवस को मना सकते हैं. आप लोग बड़े खुशहाली के साथ बाल दिवस मनाएं, अपने बड़ों का कहना मानें, पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दें. यही हमारी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हैं.
Hello everyone, my name is Babita Pathak. I am class teacher of class nursery. Dear children, wish you a very happy Children's Day and a happy Diwali. Thank you.
So on this special day, I just want to say that you all are really very precious and special in just the way you are. So don't ever change. Go ahead. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We all do the mistakes, and just because of our mistakes only, we learn so many things, we grow and get better. Stay curious. Don't stop asking questions. Learn because you want to learn, not because you are forced to learn. You all are amazing. You all are really very unique, and you all are really very precious. Every one of you is a different kind of flower, and all together in this world you make a beautiful garden. You all Just believe in your own scent and blossom in your own domain. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. And as you all know that today we have Diwali also. So have a happy, safe and blessed Diwali. Thank you students. Love you all.
Good morning, kids. On this very special day, let us all celebrate the innocence and purity of our kids. They are very precious in every way because they are our future. Dear kids, happy Children's Day and my blessings are always with you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my dear student. Today is a special day. On this occasion, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. My dear student, I have no words to describe how special you all are for me. And on this special day, I bless you with success, health and happiness in your life. May happiness and sunshine always fill your world. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
बच्चे होते हैं मन के सच्चे, इनको ना बढ़ने से रोकें, दिखाएं इन्हें सच्ची राह, ये ही बढ़ाएंगे देश का मान। चाचा नेहरू का जन्म दिवस आया है, बच्चों के लिए तोहफा लाया है। बाल दिवस का तोहफा पाकर बच्चों का है मन हर्षाया है। भूलना ना इनको कभी भी तुम, जिनके कारण यह दिन आज तुमने पाया है। बच्चों के हैं कुछ अधिकार, सबको यह दिन ने बतलाया है। बच्चों का यह समय तुम्हारा है बड़ा अनमोल खजाना, इसी पर टिका भविष्य तुम्हारा, पढ़ लिख कर तुम मान कमाना। तो बच्चों, आप लोग पढ़ाई करें, अपना नाम कमाएं, अपने देश का नाम कमाएं, अपने टीचर्स का नाम कमाएं, अपने पेरेंट्स का नाम कमाएं। यही शुभकामनाएं हमारी हैं। आप लोग सेफ रहें, हेल्थी रहें। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे।
Obstacles comes in your life to prepare us for something bigger. Treat them as an opportunities and you will never fail in your life. See yourself as a good human being and nurture a right attitude in yourself.
Students, today our Children's Day, a very special day. Okay, so this special day, beta, you are the future of our country. So this special day, I wish your joy, happiness and success in your future. Happy Children's Day once again. Enjoy your day, beta.
Becomes the happiness of every home as well as society. We cannot ignore the involvement of children in the parents, teachers and others all through the life. Children are liked by everyone and are blessed with beautiful eyes, innocent activities and innocent smile. Blessed are those who have children. Again, wishing you a happy Diwali and happy Children's Day. Stay safe, stay happy.
Good day, my dear students. I wish you a very, very happy Children's Day. I missed you a lot. We celebrate every year Children's Day as a picnic, but this year we can't do this for this pandemic condition. That's why I am sending my warm wishes.
I wish you all a happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. Hope you all enjoy this. Thank you.
Hello kids, wishing you a happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. Thank you.
नेहरू जी बच्चों को बहुत प्यार करती थी। उनका मानना है कि बच्चे ही देश के भविष्य हैं। आने वाले कल की बागडोर उन्हीं के हाथों में है। हर साल 1 जून को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाल दिवस पूरे उल्लास से मनाया जाता है और 14 नवंबर को प्रतिवर्ष भारत में बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। इसलिए मैं नेहरू जी को नमन करते हुए आपके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करती हूँ कि आप निरंतर प्रगति के मार्ग पर बढ़े। मैं पुनः आप सभी को बाल दिवस तथा दीपावली की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Good morning students. Wish you a happy Diwali and happy Children's Day. I hope all will celebrate Diwali safely and nicely. Thank you.
Good morning my dear students. Today on the occasion of Deepavali and Children's Day, wish you a very happy and safe Deepavali and happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear students. Today, the occasion of 14 November, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Students, you all know that every year we celebrate this day in school. But this year, due to this pandemic situation, we couldn't celebrate this sweet occasion together. But our love and blessings are always with you. Once again, a very happy Children's Day.
This is Amit Joshi wishing you a very happy Deepavali and happy Children's Day.